You showing Jacqueline your bottle? Yeah, you love it, don't you? Keeps getting away from her. Boy, that thing is bad. It gets away from you every time. Oh great, something else for her to play with. Did it get away from you? Did I hide the coat? Aww. You poor little girl. Portia, say hi to Jacqueline. Say hi to Jacqueline. You're so cute. Oh, the pop can got away from her again. No biting. She's so cute.